Everyone is using the same AI tools, so why are some people still 10 steps ahead? The AI future of work is not about who uses AI. It is about who knows what to do with what AI gives them. AI can write the email, build the deck, and crunch the numbers, but it cannot read the room in a tense client meeting. The AI impact on jobs is not erasing skills, it is exposing which ones actually mattered all along. Human skills in the AI era, like judgment, empathy, and original thinking, are quietly becoming the rarest skills in the room. Future workplace skills are not about competing with AI adoption in the workplace. They are about knowing exactly where AI ends and human thinking begins. The skills needed in the AI world and future careers with AI will not belong to whoever uses AI the most. They will belong to whoever thinks the deepest. Hit like, drop a comment with the one skill no AI tool can replace for you, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.